Inflation is always a lag data, Aisha. So what we're discussing is inflation for the quarter gone
August,
by, for the month gone by. But a lot has changed in terms of the September. The seasonality in vegetable prices has started coming down, excepting milk and spices. Nothing has, things have started coming down. And also crude, crude is down. I mean, that is one of the reasons why stock markets have gone up. And the crack in crude has happened only in the month of September. We've not heard yet from government, but I think Prakash yesterday, my colleague, reported a story that government could consider a price cut. So if price, which is one of the most sensitive items in the crude basket, if that comes down, which it will ahead of election, seasonality has kicked in. No large crop damages have been reported in the month of September, which means the vegetable prices seasonally will come down. So I think from a market standpoint, inflation is no longer the bugbear, so to speak. That's one. Second, will RBI move? Will RBI not move? That is a judgment call. But frankly, directionally where you're headed. It's like saying that you are headed to the peak of the mountain. Always, you're coming down from the mountain. You don't know at what pace you will come back. But market narrative will start ahead of what the RBI action would do, and that explains why suddenly NBFCs are going higher, why corporate banks which have a large dependence on wholesale borrowing, they've started going higher. So from a market standpoint, the trade now is rural, the trade now is recovery, the trade now is rates. And rural, why? Because, Aisha, inflation pinches if you're in rural India. Suddenly you have to pay 5% more, 6% more for your daily needs, it hurts you. And when that structurally starts coming down, I think it's a big hurrah. So rural and rates and recovery, these are three themes which I think will happen because of what's happening on the macro world.